Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a coaching landing page in GetResponse quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click on Landing Pages. Now click Create Landing Page. Choose a clean and professional template that's designed for lead generation or service-based businesses. Click Use Template to open the page editor. Start by adding a compelling headline such as "Transform your life with professional coaching" or "Book your free coaching session." Next, write a short description explaining who you help, the results clients can expect, and what makes your coaching program unique. Add your photo, client testimonials, success stories, coaching credentials, and any certifications to build credibility. You can also include information about your coaching packages or the benefits of working with you. Next, add a sign-up or booking form where visitors can enter their name, email address, and phone number. Customize your call to action button with text like "Book your free call" or "Apply for coaching." Click Next to configure your landing page settings, then choose your page URL or connect your custom domain. Finally, click Publish and test your landing page to make sure the form and buttons work correctly. That's it. You've successfully created a coaching landing page in GetResponse. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.